Two and two, yo. Okay. Chris and Holly, how could beauty be so beautiful? A woman of your past and still you laugh and grow so beautiful, so beautiful. You brought into this world 3 girls, 36 months of pain, 23 years of pearls. As a child, your life is hell. Couldn't understand, God took you a plan up out the sky. Mama, don't cry, you got a man beside you who loves you beside you. Didn't even try to. Daddy, don't you cry too. I know life ain't always been the ride that you subscribe to, but shit, you gotta live, so them demons gotta give. Let love be the thrill, we can just chill and laugh. Forget about the hard times, we live up in the past. Let past be the past and pass us by, cause the future looking bright, don't let it pass us by. Just tell it if give Chris, you the one who passed it. Dad, look at the woman that you made me. God, hope the best gift that you ever gave me.
I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes. I cry sometimes about it. There's nothing more on earth that God can give me. You all I need and I'm nothing without it. And I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes. I cry sometimes about it. There's nothing more on earth that God can give me. You all I need and I'm nothing without it.
Y'all just don't know I love you more than any history. Just the thought of losing y'all, I break down, it gets to me. Fuck what people say, I ain't tripping off that he say and she say. But in the end, what matters is what we say. No matter where I am, I will never be far. The love I have for you is more precious than the stars in the galaxy. What a tragedy if I didn't have a father or a mother. It would bother me, probably be in the streets, legs open just to get a meal to eat. Strung out on drugs, there are plenty possibilities, but God bless me from my head to my toes. Mama, when you smile, I swear you make the city glow. A man who raised a woman that I swear you never know. May seem that I don't care, but when I pray, I let it show. We had some hard times, but God came through. When it come to being strong, I couldn't walk up in your shoes. I swear that I'ma blow because I have nothing to lose. If my life was on the line, I swear it's you that I would choose. The Crystal, La Kendra, Kristen, Holly. You make up the veins to my heart and my body.
Now I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes. I cry sometimes about it. There's nothing more